Hello, my friends. Today's story is called Canada in Colors. Canada in Colors by Henrik Gurth. White snow blankets the ground. Green spruce trees whisper in the woods. Red sand dunes greet the tides on Prince Edward Island. Hello. Goodbye. Blue water flows swiftly in the St. Lawrence River. Orange monarch butterflies flutter south from Point Pelee National Park. Purple blackberries ripen for the picking. Mmm. Pink wild roses bloom along hiking paths. Brown log cabins nestle in the mountains. Yellow wheat sways under the hot prairie sun. Black nights twinkle with stars. Look, the Big Dipper. Multicolored northern lights dance in the sky. The end. Here are some other ebooks available by this author. I hope you enjoyed the story today, boys and girls. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.